A day in my life as a student intern from Northern Iloilo State University. Hello guys! So after ko maligo, nag-fit check muna ako. And then after that, I had my breakfast para naman may energy. And to stay hydrated, uminom muna ako ng tubig. And of course, I packed some for myself para naman meron akong baon. So today guys, join me to my journey sa aking field study 2. So I only used my handbag para hindi naman mabigat dalhin. Pagkarating ko ng school, I met my classmates. So guys, I'm doing my student internship nga pala here at Estancia Central Elementary School. Ang ganda nga rito kasi I'm already familiar with the environment. So this is us nga pala before kami pumasok ng orientation room. So need namin muna ma-orient of course para malaman namin ang mga dapat at hindi dapat gawin sa loob ng paaralan. So during this time, we were waiting for Sir Noli Balyara before proceeding with our orientation. So after prayer and the singing of our national anthem, we had our energizer. This is Sir Jonathan Torres from SS and siya rin yung nag-orient sa amin. During this time guys, we had a photo op together with Sir Noli Balyara and Sir Jonathan Torres. Kabogs na naman ang aking mga bima. Ang gaganda talaga ah. Natapos na nga rin ang aming orientation. Hinahanap namin sa ngayon kung nasaan ang room ni Ma'am Procel Diquilla. Kasi guys, siya yung magiging cooperating teacher namin. Nashock nga kami kasi nakikita namin yung mga batang nasa labas. Kasi guys, recess na pala nila. So we found the classroom of Ma'am Procel Diquilla. She is so warm guys and very welcoming talaga. And by the way, this is not her advisory class nga pala. This is grade 5, section Jade. The moment I sat down guys and observe, napakarami talaga akong na-observe na strategies. Guys, halos lahat talaga sila nakikinig, nagpa-participate, and nagtitake down ng notes. So after the class ended, ayan guys, nasa labas na kami and we're ready to go home. You know what guys, it's very important for me na na-observe ko yung na-observe ko during that day. Because I firmly believe guys, na hindi kasalanan ng isang estudyante kapag minsan nag-slack off siya sa klase. It all depends on how the teacher managed the classroom. So yan lang muna for today guys. Bye-bye!